Hello dear fans. Why does silver darken? It is known that silver jewelry, when worn on the human body, often becomes dark, bringing some discomfort to its owners. And the statements of some experts that darkened silver jewelry tells their owners about diseases of the internal organs or the imposition of damage, only add fuel to the fire. Why does silver actually darken? It's time to discard all speculation and understand this issue from the only correct scientific point of view. Silver, being a noble metal, actively and freely reacts with sulfur contained in human sweat secretions, resulting in the formation of chemical compounds, some sulfides, which are plaque on metal. The composition of jewelry silver, from which rings, earrings, and chains are made, also includes copper, which, in turn, easily interacts with sulfur. As a result of this contact, it oxidizes and also causes darkening of silver jewelry. There is a certain dependence of the appearance of silver jewelry on their sample. The higher it is on products, the less copper they contain, which means they are less susceptible to oxidation. The indicator of the highest purity of this noble metal is a fineness of 999. However, one must also remember that sulfur can darken even the purest silver. Although such a metal, which is contained in a high-purity alloy, is much less susceptible to change and oxidizes in the last turn. In order for silver jewelry not to darken and look elegant, it is necessary to adhere to simple rules. They should be removed during significant physical activity and sports, while taking a shower and swimming in the sea. Various cosmetics have a negative effect on silver jewelry. Do not worry if your silver piece has darkened. There are many ways to restore its former shine, but this is a topic for another conversation. We must not forget that jewelry should give people positive emotions, and not cause anxiety and nervousness. May they delight you and those around you for many years. Thanks for watching.